So we're going to talk about Theratox. Theratox is an undergarment orthotics that gives sensory motor input to the brain, and also proprioception, which is the mental representation of the body in the brain, elicits the muscles and inhibits some, promoting extension or flexion, whatever we need. It has different settings. We put it under the clothes, usually touching the skin. In this case, for the video, we put it on top. This is an extension. We put this band so it can promote her extension, since she's always in flexion. And this, so her body is not aligned for walking. So we put all these straps. Usually we need to adjust as, you know, if we need to promote extension, or we need to promote flexion, or we need to promote external rotation in the legs. It has two components: the body part, the top part, and the lower part. In these settings, we have this strap on the back, so we can promote extension. So when she was walking, she's in the better position, in extended position, when she's using the gait trainer, or when she walks with hands assisted. Right? Good job.